Hi guys, I am dyeing my hair. This is not the dye I usually use, but this is. Can you see that? It's not gonna zoom in on it, but it's Beyond the Zone Bubblehead Pink. And trying to get this music to play. Ooh, I got my septum pierced. Cute. Cute. It's cute. I just put it in like shampoo. Have a jelly in it. So what's up my belly? Now on my to-do list, she's looking at the anxiety attack. And motherfucker. Don't get the references you refer to. Oh yeah, it's pretty hot. Alright, then I just take a handful of it, flop it in my hair, rub it around, kind of like, shampoo and shit. Yeah. I think it's really funny because everyone's always asking me how I dye my hair and everything. I do it like the most crappy, ghetto-licious dye job ever, but it always turns out super badass and awesome. Because the way I figure it, when you're dyeing your hair, these kind of colors, the colors are so concentrated that you don't have to mix anything. You just kind of plop it in your head and call it good. So I figure if I don't have to mix anything or be really careful of my roots, which is awesome for me because I'm just not a careful person at all, then I'm just going to plop it in my hair like shampoo, and that'll do it. It smells gross. Rub it all around to be all like, Murr! So I just figured out today that one of my subscribers is my friend Miss Charcy, I don't know how she says her name on YouTube, but I don't want to actually say her name because if her name's not on her YouTube, that probably means she doesn't want YouTube bitches knowing what her name is. And I was kind of heartbroken because I was like, oh my god, I have 2 subscribers, 2 people in the world that don't actually know me, that want to watch my videos, and as it turns out, one of those people is only watching my videos because she's my friend. Sad day. But I love you anyways. Alright. That's pretty much it. Let me just get some more in there. Oh, it's such a sexy sound. concentrate on, like, getting in there on your roots and everything. You know, kind of like when you're washing your hair. Get behind your ears. If you make a mess, it's not a big deal, because I'm going to show you a magic trick.